back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI caricature image. And if this is what you want to see and this is what you want to know, please do well to stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video for others to see. You're going to like this video because it's going to give you that funny look. It's going to give you that exciting look that can brighten your day. Let's dive into the video of the day. So I'm going to generate a caricature AI image. The first thing I'm going to do is to open a chat GPT. Then I will tell it what I want it to generate for me. Like I will tell it to describe caricature face, and it have already generated this, and this type is too long to enter the space that I want to make the caricature image. So what I do is, after I have generated, I type this thing here, describe caricature face. So it brings out something like this for me. So I've copied it. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to Canva, then paste the text I copied from Canva. So I'm going to adjust the text because some of the type I will have here is not going to enter in the caricature space, which is what I'm going to be doing now. The text is too much and the space made for the caricature text is not up to this long. So the next thing I'm going to do is to adjust the whole text that is generated for me. So I'm going to copy this. Come to app. This is my app. Then I'm going to look for the caricature face, which is this. Then I'm going to paste the text here. Tell it to, generate caricature. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that when I post a video, you will be notified. Let's see. I'm placing it here. Then what I'm going to do, I want you to fill the page. Fill this page. So I'm going to come to edit, go to here, magic expand, because I want you to fill the page, and then take size 16:9. Then click on magic expand. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, let's check all of them. Okay, let's check this one, let's check out this, let's check out this, and say done here. So you can as well change the color if you don't like the color. So I'm going to generate another one, still play the same thing, and then adjust the information. Let me see. Then magic expand. Until it's done. I think I like this. Then put background. I'm still going to do the same here. Tell it to generate. So as I can see, is a video. So I can as well animate this. I can as well animate it. Then bring it here first. Then go to create animation. Come here, drag it. Then make it stable. Make it steady. Also animate this one. Also animate this, bring it back. Come to animate, create animation, then drag it. Then come here, tell it steady. And tell it done. So this is how you can animate your video. This is how you can animate you can now download it. I click on this place, go to download, go to MP4, then download the 2 pages. Click on download and it's going. If you get value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.